Today's case isn't simple. This defendant had been clean for 9 years. Then everything fell apart in an instant. The judge fired question after question. The prosecutor revealed new allegations, and the courtroom's energy completely shifted. What happened next that made the judge drop such a serious warning? Let's find out.
It's a bond hearing.
Sir, I filed a motion requesting bond.
Ream out, please. Thank you. 15-23549 is.
Good.
On the state on this, what are y'all doing on the cocaine allegation that was tested positive? Y'all gonna do
I think they're still waiting on the lab on that one, Your Honor.
Yes, the new alleged.
We've got two cases. We've got two different dates of problems, don't we?
Yes, sir.
You're Calvin Lawrence. You're Calvin Lawrence. You're charged here in a motion to revoke probation that was filed on September 29th of this year, which alleges that you were on probation a long time too.
Yes, sir.
That you committed the offense of illegal possession of a controlled substance on or about June 18th, 2025. And you failed to immediately report to your probation officer your arrest on that you were required to do as a condition of probation. And then finally, a urine sample of yours was tested on or about April 29th of 2025, which is 2 months before you are alleged to have committed the illegal possession of a controlled substance. And on April 29th, your urine was tested at the probation office, yes?
Yes, sir.
And it tested positive for cocaine, which is a violation of your probation. Let's see.
And alcohol as well, Your Honor, on that day.
And I didn't see that. Why only do one wrong thing when you can do two? What she kind of do is I looked at the probable cause affidavit on this June 18th, 25. Love it.
I didn't bring my books. Okay.
All right.
Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. We are requesting a bond for Mr. Lewis. He is on deferred adjudicated probation. Essentially, he's been doing well for 9.5 years of the 10-year probation. He did express, he did relapse earlier this year, in which I believe he did express that to his probation officer prior to him taking the drug test, in which he made them aware that he would be positive and was seeking some help. Mr. Lewis, prior to these relapses, had done exceptionally well to complete everything that was required of him. He was actually running a halfway house, sober living home for several years, Your Honor, and actually ran managed the cafe here at the courthouse downstairs for several years. Your Honor, we're just asking that while this motion is pending, and while we're awaiting any results of this new alleged offense, that he be granted a bond, along with any conditions that the court may deem necessary, such as a drug patch, things of that nature, while the motion is pending, so that we can hopefully get his case disposed of soon. Yes.
And I believe he just also, on September 25th, Your Honor, he also tested positive for cocaine as well.
That's on July 24th as well. Is that different from what's involved? Yes. After that.
You're going to add, or you're going to add?
Yes,
that to
yes,
it?
Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we've got 2 other events.
I believe there was another offense, from July 24th, 2025, possession of controlled substance.
Well, no, the judge can give us very.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Well, can we be ready for a motion hearing on this?
We could be ready on the other. We're still waiting on the labs on the possession of controlled substance, but we could be ready on the others pretty much anytime. Where he tested positive for alcohol, cocaine, and then they failed to report the new arrest.
3 weeks?
Yes, sir.
3 weeks? So let's have a hearing. You're not going to wait long. I'm going to rule on this.
Judges, he's not entitled to a bond based on the type of probation that he's on.
Is that right?
Deferred.
Say that again?
I believe he's on deferred adjudicated probation. I believe he is entitled to a bond.
Yeah, I know that. I thought you said he wasn't entitled to it.
Oh, no. That's it.
Yeah, $50,000
Okay.
plus drug patch. But this won't. We're going to have a hearing in 3 weeks, and it'll conclude all of this. One way or the other. Y'all can get the motion amended so that give the defense all the information. Very disappointed. I thought we were going to be successful on this. I'm very disappointed.
There you can say, well.
This is you're looking at 20 years in prison. You understand?
Yes,
Thank
That's
you.
the orders.
Oh, no. Great. I'll get out.
If you thought this hearing was intense, the next part is going to shock you even more. You don't want to miss how the judge ultimately ruled. For the most real, raw, and dramatic courtroom moments, hit that subscribe button now, ring the bell, and be the first to catch the next explosive hearing.